A credit card credit limit increase request is a formal appeal to your credit card issuer asking them to raise the maximum amount of credit available on your card. This request can be made for various reasons, such as preparing for a large purchase, improving your credit utilization ratio, or simply seeking more financial flexibility. How does a credit limit increase request work? Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how a credit limit increase request typically works. Check eligibility. Before making a request, ensure you meet your issuer's criteria, such as having a good payment history and a sufficient credit score. Gather necessary information. Be prepared to provide information about your income, employment status, and monthly expenses. This helps your issuer assess your ability to manage a higher credit limit. Submit your request. Contact your credit card issuer through their website, mobile app, or customer service line to submit your request. Some issuers also allow requests by mail. Credit check. Your issuer may perform a hard or soft credit check to evaluate your credit worthiness. A hard credit check can temporarily lower your credit score, while a soft check has no impact. Approval process. The issuer will review your request based on your credit history, current account status, and overall credit profile. If approved, your new credit limit will be updated, and you'll receive a notification. Benefits of a credit limit increase. Here are some potential benefits of increasing your credit limit. Increased purchasing power. A higher credit limit allows you to make larger purchases without maxing out your card. Lower credit utilization. Increasing your credit limit can lower your credit utilization ratio, the percentage of your available credit you're using, which can positively impact your credit score. Emergency funds. Having a higher credit limit can provide a financial cushion in case of emergencies. Rewards opportunities. With more available credit, you can potentially earn more rewards points, cashback, or travel miles by making more purchases on your card. Risks of a credit limit increase. While there are benefits, there are also some potential risks to consider. Increased debt. A higher credit limit can tempt you to spend more, potentially leading to increased debt if not managed responsibly. Interest charges. If you carry a balance on your card, a higher credit limit might lead to higher interest charges if you spend more than you can pay off in full. Impact on credit score. The hard credit check performed by your issuer can temporarily lower your credit score. Tips for requesting a credit limit increase. Here are some tips to help you request a credit limit increase. Check your credit score. Ensure your credit score is in good shape before requesting an increase, as a higher score increases your chances of approval. Update your income. Providing updated income information can help your issuer assess your ability to handle a higher credit limit. Demonstrate responsible use. Show a history of on-time payments and responsible credit use. This demonstrates to your issuer that you can handle a higher limit. Avoid multiple requests. Don't request credit limit increases too frequently, as multiple hard credit checks can negatively impact your credit score. Conclusion. Requesting a credit card credit limit increase can offer more spending power and potential benefits for your credit score, but it's important to manage it responsibly. By understanding how the process works and preparing adequately, you can increase your chances of approval and make the most out of your higher credit limit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your credit cards and personal finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.